Alright, this afternoon we'll try to take the dash out and the steering column. That way I can get in there and work on that floorboard over there where I was showing you the other night where the holes are at. And then plus I got to work on the firewall right there. Got to have some work done to it. I'm trying not to replace that whole panel right there. But where these holes are at, there's a body brace underneath there, so I'm hoping I won't have to replace the whole panel. But if I do, we'll do it, and hopefully I won't have to though. But stick around, I'm gonna take the dash out. Might do a time-lapse video on it. So we got the steering wheel loose and got to loosen it up from the gearbox. Take it loose there. Yep. Got that gearbox. Alright. Let's get that off. The columns out. That was a little more of a job than what I thought it was going to be. Not too bad though, about 15 minutes. These wiring harness on top of it is what I was trying to get out. Alright, see if we can get the rest of these, work on this gauge cluster over here and see if we can't get that stuff unhooked. Man, I'd hate to see a modern Jeep behind the dash, what it looked like. Or one of these newer ones. There a lot of wiring on this thing. More than what I expected, but that's alright. I guess it's got to have the heater controls and everything else. That cable's up here for them, and fresh air duct work and all that stuff. But anyways, we'll get it unhooked and get everything marked, and that way it'll be easy to put back together. Alright, let's start working on that. Come over here and I'll explain this. Well, the dash is out. One dash. I'm hoping I explained earlier the top was messed up on this thing. It won't cover the whole truck or the whole Jeep station wagon, as I said it was on the title. But anyways, I'm hoping these switches and all are still working because of the water that got into them. I know these cables, the heater control boxes, and defrost, and everything else, they're going to be replaced. I broke one of them taking it off because it was rust, and that old tempered wire in there, it broke pretty easy. But anyways, the dash is out. It didn't take but about well, I lied, the cigarette lighter. Had to mark that. But dash is out. What I done, I just took some of that painter's tape and marked everything, so when I go back to put it back together, it won't be such a pain in the rear end. So all these here, that's all the reverse lights and transfer case lights. So on the transmission and the transfer case, so that all comes from the firewall side. But anyways, we're getting there. I can get the rest of this wiring harness out of here, get my brake brake pedal and clutch pedal out. Get the rest of the wiring harness out. And then we'll be ready to start working on this floorboard as far as getting some of that sheet metal out. So I guess this piece of duct work goes from your defrost down to the top of your heater box. It was chewed all up. So alright, well, we'll make another little video here in a second. Alright, this took the wiring harness apart from the outside harness to the inside. And there's two screws holding the inside. Once I push it through, there it goes. Just fell in. So, and then I can take the outside wiring harness loose. There ain't a bunch on the outside. Outside's pretty simple. Mainly the headlights, a lot of it. That's the headlights, the marker lights and stuff on that. And this harness here, I got holding in my hand. And the interior one has got the one with the fuses in it. It's right there. Fuses and the flashers and stuff like that. But let me take a few things else apart, and I'll try. I believe I'm going to have to drop the pedals, the brake pedal and the clutch pedal before I can take it completely out. So I might just leave it in there right now, because I'm not going to take the brake and the clutch out right now. I got something where I got to go, so I just shot out here real quick to do some video, and so take a few things apart while I had a chance. So, but anyways, hopefully we'll make another couple of videos, and I'll go ahead and get this series here put together, or this episode here and put together, and post it. But anyways, appreciate you watching, if I can speak. Subscribe and check thumbs up or thumbs down, however you feel. But anyways, and let me know, because I wouldn't mind knowing what the feedback was. You know, leave a comment. Thanks.